Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install tax payment reminders using IRS and Plaid integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the IRS website. Log into your IRS account or create one if you don't already have it. Navigate to the section for payment reminders. Look for options related to notifications or reminders. Select the type of reminder you would like to set up. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the Plaid website. Sign up for a Plaid account if you haven't already registered. Follow the prompts to link your bank account with Plaid. After linking, head back to the IRS website. Choose the preferred method for receiving reminders via Plaid. This could be through email, text message, or another method. Specify your payment schedule for tax payments. Make sure to input the correct dates for these payments. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Confirm your settings to finalize the process. You should now receive reminders for tax payments linked through Plaid. Keep an eye on your selected method of communication for notifications. Regularly check your IRS account for any updates or changes. That's it. You have successfully set up tax payment reminders using IRS and Plaid integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.